Almost 8% of the total earnings from poultry farming are taken by commercial feeds. But when you make your own feeds, you can cut this feed cost by up to 40%. This means that you will earn more profit, as you don't have to share it with feeds companies. So, if your chickens are at grower phase or almost there, then you need to watch this until the end. In this video, I'm going to show you all the ingredients and estimated prices that you need to make a bag of 100 kg grower feeds, step by step. The ingredients number 1 is maize. We need 59 kilograms of ground maize. Let's assume that maize costs approximately 30 cents per kilogram. Maize is the largest ingredient in this formula because it provides much of the energy required in this type of feed. But don't focus only on price. The maize should be clean, dry, and free from visible mold. Moldy maize can contain harmful mycotoxins that can negatively affect chickens. So when you are comparing prices, always compare quality as well as the price. The ingredients number 2 is soybean meal. We need 22 kilograms of roasted soybean meal. Let's use an estimated price of 60 cents per kilogram. That gives us 22 kilograms times $0.6. It is equals approximately $13.20 US dollars. Soybean meal is an important protein source for the growing chickens, but soybeans must be properly roasted, as raw soybeans contain anti-nutritional factors that can interfere with digestions. So don't simply grind raw soybeans and add them to your poultry feed. The ingredients number 3 is fish meal. We need 6 kilograms of fish meal. By estimating the price at $1.20 per kilogram, that gives us approximately $7.20 US dollars. This fish meal is a concentrated source of protein and provides important amino acids. However, it is important not to buy poor quality fish meal just because the seller offers it at cheap prices. Check the smell, appearance, and storage conditions. The ingredients number 4, wheat or rice bran. We need 8 kilograms of wheat or rice bran. Let's estimate the price at 25 cents per kilogram. That's approximately $2 for 8 kilograms. Bran can contribute energy, fiber, and other nutrients to the feed. Ingredients number 5, it is limestone. We need 2.5 kilograms of limestone. If limestone costs approximately 10 cents per kilogram, that would be around $0.25. Limestone is mainly included as a calcium source. Calcium is important for proper skeletal development. However, don't add excessive amounts. Ingredients number 6 is bone meal. 2 kilograms of bone meal. Using an estimated price of 30 cents per kilogram, that would cost approximately $0.6 US dollar. Bone meal contributes minerals, particularly calcium and phosphorus. The ingredients number 7 is salt. We only need 300 grams of salt. If salt costs approximately 50 cents per kilogram, 300 grams would cost about $0.15 US dollar. Finally, we need poultry premix. This is where you need to pay close attention. I'm not going to tell you to blindly use fixed amount because different premixes have different concentration. Look at the manufacturer's instructions on your particular product. It may specify a certain number of grams per 100 kilograms of feed. Follow that recommendation. By adding the prices of all ingredients, that give us approximately $41.1 US before adding the poultry premix. So your final cost for 100 kilograms will be approximately $41.10 US plus the cost of the required premix. But these are just estimations. Your local cost could be significantly different. Go to your local agrovet, feed store, or supplier and get the current price of each ingredient. Then calculate cost of ingredients divided by 100 kilograms. That gives you a much better comparisons with commercial feed. In this video, I have explained the ingredients required for this 100 homemade grower mash formula and the estimated cost of each ingredient. In the next video, I will show you how to mix these ingredients, including how to distribute the small quantities of salt, minerals, and premix evenly. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to be notified when this next video is uploaded.